We're going to take a look at how to look up books in Destiny Quest. It's a little bit different than the regular library catalog. You'll notice near the search window you don't see a title, author, series, subject, or keyword button. And so I'm going to do a couple examples so that you get a chance to see how to do a search. First thing I'm going to do is an author search. So Jacqueline Woodson, one of my favorite authors. So if I do a search by just typing your name and clicking go, I see that there are 12 results, the first 10 of which are displayed on this page. So if I didn't see the book I was looking for, if I click next, it will get me to the next page. Now if I was looking specifically at one of the books, I can see with a quick preview which location it's in. So this is a realistic fiction. This is in the everybody section, an everybody book. And on the next page, I know there's one that's in our poetry section. If I wanted to find a little bit more about the book, I would click on the book's cover and I can read just a little brief description of the book there. And on the screen, it tells you if the book is available or not, so that you can know that whether or not you need to go to the shelf. And again, the call number is listed here. So that's an author search. Let's say I wanted to do a search for the book Hoot by Carl Hiaasen. Again, on the quick screen here, I could see that book search, this one is out, this one is checked in, and this one comes up probably because somewhere in the book is the word Hoot. So that's kind of a random one, but so again, I can see if the book's in or out. I can see the genre section. If I knew that was exactly what I wanted, I could just go right over to the realistic fiction section and go to HIA to find more information about the book. Again, I just click on the book and I get like just a brief description of what that book is about. So that's a title search. If I wanted to do what formerly known as a subject search, I wanted a book about penguins, I can click go. And notice there are 66 books about penguins. I could just scroll through until I kind of thought I found something that I might want. But notice also over here on the left side, you have the ability to narrow your search. So if there was a certain author you were looking for or a series, you could click that. And it would tell you all of the authors who wrote these penguin books. So that's one additional way to narrow your search. Notice these are in the nonfiction section. So if I were to click the book to get more information and it sounds like what I want, this one I would write down 598.47 RES to go look for that book. You can also do series searches. So some really popular series books that we have are the Who Was or the Who Is series. So if I were just to type Who Was, I can see we have a lot of them. Now we have 1,371. Totally not true. So somehow it's searching for other books, titles, or series that have the words Who Was in them. So again, you might want to narrow your series search down by using some of the tools that are on the left side. So that's a series search. And let's say the last one I wanted to show you was, let's say someone's reading a Rapunzel book, you couldn't remember the full title. If you just type part of the title in, any book that has this is Rapunzel would come up. And so then I see the book I was looking for, Rapunzel's Revenge. I can click on it. Again, I can see this book is in, and where it's located on the shelf is 741.5 HAL. So I could go right on over to the shelf and find the book. So I'm hoping that you now know how to do some searches for books that you want to find using Destiny Quest. Whether or not you choose to use Destiny Quest or the regular library catalog search that we've done in previous lessons, totally up to you. You kind of just have to find what works best for your style.